or so, I came across a very, very disturbing video. To me, it is disturbing. I don't know whether to you. Now, in that video, I saw the interior minister in charge of the interior, Muntaka, and he was distributing VIP pass to some men of God. VIP pass to some men of God. Now, I tried to inquire a little bit about what the entire VIP pass thing is about. And that's when I realized that VIP pass where I can't know no. It is going to grant them a free passage throughout this nation. Their cars will not be searched. Police won't have to stop them to see if their insurance is up to date and all those things. Like virtually, they are enjoying the benefits of diplomats. That is what they are going to enjoy from the pass that the interior minister has handed to them. Now, some of the men of God were also part of that meeting. They were receiving this VIP pass. I don't know if I don't care if they are called by God or not. That's not my issue. But my question is that the best? To be giving this kind of privileges to people just because we feel and think that they are men of God, no? Won't a time come when we will regret some of these decisions being made? So for me to say, and Agrada was there. Agrada, Mama Pat, you see a friend, Mama Pat Nikunu, and some of the pastors, a pastor like one whose child took a vehicle and went to knock some innocent people to the extent their car got bent and they died in the car, and the child is now serving some sentence, and all such people are receiving VIP pass from our interior minister. Question is say, is this the kind of country we want to build? So we are giving people now a shortcut right now in Ghana. If you want to be you want to outsmart the system, you can easily also become, how do we call it, a pastor, prophesy that this political party is going to win an election. Once it happens, you are also able to get a VIP pass. Is that the kind of nation we want? That is the question I'm asking my guest this evening. So I'll start with the aspiring 4 minutes.
Voice. So I saw that video on Instagram, and I will surprise you in the comment section. The same NDC4 were commenting, a government who aligns with the people of God. Then just say, more uploaded that. Now, my question is, even so, yes, Hakrana, why don't you even do it in private? Why you put it in every me and Kamek? I would do that in private. But there are more weighing. May I know that their goal is to would get favor from Ghanaians. On say I suffer for so that for can near my idea, yes, a tray. Nay, do so. And to buy small mobile toss of winning then they will continue to get the favor of Ghanaians. Now, this Salifu Amwakukra Mihuno, am I allowed to mention his name or?
Feel free.
Okay, Mihuno or Honokrano. This was the same pastor. Sorry, and preachy say. So no crowd will come as when license or so then when a car no police can stop him. No. So this goes to kind of confirm as somehow kind. Maybe I didn't know what the pass was meant for, the VIP pass. But either way, that is not the way to go. I mean, so that I go back to who's advising this current government. To be I feel like a war position. It's like a yes in chain, and whatever they want, they are doing. So, voice, I know that this might be the last time I'm talking today, right? What can we do? What is the solution to this? Like, what is the solution? You bet now 4 years. If you are lucky, I will go to an election. if you are not lucky, then they take over with Mali and Nigeria now. So no, I kind of want some solutions to it because where Ghana is going, no, it looks bad. So no,
Yeah,
when
Semo. Okay, then I think I can't right now tell you any solution, frankly, because myself I am as confused as you are at the direction in which the nation is going. But maybe other people on the live might be able to tell us what a solution is. That show says that we are heading for a disaster. All right. Okay. Water Senior Minister, 4 minutes.
Okay. The voice is he President Mahama no me met me aka say why a power drunk. So opese offer any ways and means na otumi yeden otumi tena otumi twa more than one term. It was say Ghana ha no enipa bebre e believe asofo okọ asori a asema osofo be ka kire una sebi ye nua ma ne bi no emoji sofo na asem kura di echen wo mukunu no. Excuse me to say
Nukrepa.
it is asofo ka kire ne say ye kwa akoto aba hwe no wan koto aba ama MPP tuma John Mahama na tuma NDC a omu nyina be ka say sofo na akenti no ombe follow. And President Mahama epekwan bi a obefa so na otumi enya asofo no because they say Ghana ha about 70% kwesi already obi akotena sorry dem. So what you say?
Yeah.
So this is the way of say otumi ye no otumi capture asofo no na election do a ombetumi akama no. Na is he sadie we enunti na ama asofo atrofo ene enkonshefo atrofo edoso. The moment you asofo will be aligned to any political party biano. Unye nyame nipa. We a false prophet.
I didn't hear.
Yeah, didn't hear a kasa and say where sofo de who say a neutral person. And I say nyankopon eduwesi wo say we eja ema oman
A mediator.
Mediator, absolutely, that's the word. We now we a mediator. So when I say to me, it take his size in decision making. Our mind, you have to remain very neutral. And to the moment you want to make a gift, na those nyama na SSN ka ubetu ya tax na edi ayo money ye no. Ye di amount say je men to ya tax. Abra constitution improve this adi na mawa. It's a bonnet, a sin, a bonnet in before God, a bonnet. And so what you bribe, pepe. A bribe and a magic, no. Now, the very I'm charging reviews. Say, as a for no more Ghana, no. Our more SCC or sorry, no. What they are share baby or SCC or sorry, no. Industrial area and baby a company, I can see, Kwame Nkrumah be a company, I can see, no. JJ Tam almost told those areas na egu campaign na this one sorry. You go and start what would there asoma market kwana ko steady na hwe ade.
Nukre.
Industrial area what has say we mean person boss sorry be edi.
But one of my purpose no.
Yes, obi no kran project government properties. Baby SSN ka government land akese omo the political and commission say aje. Na omutiem I hold the city. I hold the city.
Hey, who voice need you? I don't know your software now.
I hold the city. I declared. Almost sorry, almost to me, Joe Manum say, almost no ma bobra, almost ye, just almost ye superhuman being. Nanso no, abrabo mu boni na eye kron, obi kure to me kraka, me say, obi to me crack luxurious cars and the board day. What they buy why so funti on tua tax on tua we no tua fam. Akofo do best na so a was you sad and san kwase asem de on tia se wo kraba wo betua ka no na ye enti no motan no. You see, so these pastors no enti ama se wo ye nipa bi na so kwa asori na se edu stage bi na opese ubisa question osofo question bebre a ye tag you say we anti-Christian. I'm telling you,
Touch no man anointed.
as o de opo kwa sorry a So for ye bibia, would you be a question? Nepek, ebia, you want some clarity or near maybe you bet tag who say as a Huawei. Or it's like on Penya, me as I say, what time Christo.
Okay.
So, but Juma, you see, this time, no, I bet Juma to some point, but intimate now,
Okay.
intimate me, I can't.
Thank you very much, Water Senior Minister. Excellent communication on display. Shakataka says that mediator in Chi is Intem Jina 4. I'm sure I've got Intem Jina 4. All right.
That's it.
Yo, thank you. Nana Joa, good evening.
Voice.
Oh, Asembe Kafao. Na phone, where's your phone to here, Nana Joa?
To baby out. So for no that. I'm missing network in the papa. Here.
Yo, Mate.
I saw for me there. No phone and I know. I'm almost one to one almost ma and you but yeah, as for money dear. Ohia na da so gu ye mu no. Enti e na omo ye saa ne man no during the election time no. So omo de omo mpene e makramoni bi a me di omo no so. Se de omo de say ya na omo uchi omo cars ne fam. Na omo nama just omo above heaven. Em say heaven no kwase bibi to a heaven no so anka honom na omo tie. Omo tu yakopon kura firi ba bi otie no. E na omo na te so nti yen kotokoto wo ne ne da wo from chest apart from mo no bibia ni wiase biem omo bewu ti said de yensu be wu ye bie no omo wu ti said de yensu ye wu ye bi no TV Joshua de no anya wo Nigeria enso sada kope no de wu ye o mo de saa de hunahuna ne niema bebre na mo de hye nipa adwe enam se yensu ye pa anasem atienti no e na da bia ne ye twidi mo ne edimochi ne yesu edimirika bedimochi saa enu nti omofu na da bi omo person mo na ya kese na the papas and the mamas saa no omo person omo ye no nti no omo bayaba omo de omo enjoy bibia wa hyase bia me nua e wa awieye bibia biara ni ho no e wo beginning na enkwa awieye o e be kwa awieye omo ntena so no omo nyege sesi a oman ni sika ni nyina ye pekra ye nchemu mienu ni emfa half emfa ma wo mo no mo mfa ma wo mo ho bra bibi wa hyase bia no da ko bi wo honum a na wieye ebeba nti omo nkoso no omo ni wo man ni bonesa omo di wo man ni bonesa Ghana any even Africa nyina no eniema enko ye bebre frisa asofo mo so omo ye kana se nyame nipa nyame na afra omo nyame na afra omo nyame bia ni honum a wafra wo bia omo de omo afu na omo ka brofo no kra de ne na omo asa asem no na twifo enso de omo adwene so ya dwemu oha ni nti no na omo nso de omo de esisi enkofo sa akɔhwe asofo yi de wonsi ba ko bia ote ahema kokoben ni the mansions a wasie edigu honum pa de adwuma no wayeda wo kwaka osofo ti mebe to ho nti no wonti mi nkwaka mansions a wasie gu honum pa egu honum no omo maka nyina sa eno de no ma hye coat akese omaji coat akese agentade akese agempabo akese yemfa oman ni sika ni nyina ma wo mo no munyi the voice se bibia wa hyase bia no e wa awie nyankopon etumi ti ase ayenya nwuye no ye behu wo mu nyina awie nyame nka ye nyina ye ho medase.
All right, thank you very much, Nanajua. Uncle Ajete Sowa, good evening.
The voice, good evening.
What you want to say? Yes, I don't mean who you pa. Pacho topics no. Did you follow?
Nanwe nanye kofa ba yo.
Yeah, jejereje.
Nanwe ye jejereje. Ene uko North Carnation. Factories are increments wo hɔ na nsɔre hɔ nyina akɔhwɛ ɔmo agigi sanso factories ni nyina afa e de aye nsɔre yem problem ye how kɛseɛ paa no 50% e ya asɔfo akɛseɛ asɔfo akɛseɛ no ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛn problem kɛseɛ no ɛyɛ ɔmo because wobɛtumi akɔ hɔ fa hɔ a ɛkɔ bɛpem spinters Kwame Nkrumah factories ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛnim sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛbɛtumi aboa ɔman ɔmo na ɔmatɔn no nyinaa bisa ho sɛ yɛtɔn no sika sɛn ɛna yɛnyan ɛde ma ɔman no ɔmo sɛ nanu yi a yɛkɔto aba yi wahu baabi a yɛde fa aso yɛn bisa yɛn ho sɛ asɔfoɔ no ɔmo dwen ɔman Ghana ho sɛ ɔmo dwen ɔman Ghana ho deɛ adeɛ ɔmo yɛn deɛ ɔmo nyɛ no nkɔ no saa na prosperity ɛbɛgyagye yɛn nyinaa daakye because sɛ wo ɔsɔfo wotumi ɛyɛ saa de wei ɛma yɛwa wo free ɛwɔ mmerɛko a wontua tax na obi a ɔtɔn gyende wɔ agbogbohyi yɛtumi te ne ticket a ɛnkane na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo brɛ so na ɛyɛ 1 cedi a ɛnɛ yɛde akɔ 3 cedi ne yɛtwe fa mu free a Nyankopɔn bɛbisa yɛn nyinaa ɔho sɛ wosɛ wobɛdi nneɛma bi akyi a woanhwɛ wobɛkasa ama no akɔtra baabi nti mfasoɔ bɛn paa na ɛnya wɔ asɔfoɔ no nti na ɛsɛ yɛtumi ma ɔmo free sɛ yɛtumi ma ɔmo biribia free sɛ ɔde ka
VIP pass
VIP pass yɛmfa ma no na ɔmfa nkɔmmra ɛnɛ nansa agradaa ɔho asɔfoɔ no a ɔmo pɛ ɔmo afu ɔmo mpɛ Ghana yie no ɔmo pɛ na ɔmo sɔre tia na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne NPP amamboɔ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɛnyɛ yie ba ɔmo wura fi sɛ COVID baeɛ no yɛma free water yɛma free light ɔmo wura fi wɔho Nyankopɔn bɛbisa
Apo moy.
Yes, I don't know who's
Ready coming home. Mujidi say oka home for abrabia.
Yes, I don't know. Pacho, oh, you, where you first time or how?
Yeah, and then my first time I'm about platform and so.
Pacho, your patriot there.
Pacho, me patriot kese.
Yeah, I mean, sure, Pacho, 5 minutes, anyway.
Good. Near Econo, you see, the NDC and Jamama are trying to link politics and religion together. And they are creating a populist campaign. A populist campaign in the sense that he will satisfy a group of people at the expense of development for the nation. And a group of people are young. Omo a committee omo ho any omo busiafo edema John said, look, this group of people, we are going to vote for you, we'll campaign out for you. Also, this is what you have to do for us. This is not what you have to do for the nation, but you have to do for us. Now, like one of my brothers said, in the next elections, you will see these people telling their church members to vote for NDC because NDC they should continue to vote for the NDC. And in a kind of a prophecy, they'll be campaigning for the NDC or Jomama. So that is what they have done. Look, your money more, you say Trump, I suffer for Eddie Omonsa to so bompire Eddie man. The same way, the clergy Eddie Omonsa to Omonsa Ed to Jomama so bompire Eddie man. But what's the difference? The difference here is that Trump, the policy be a way piano in the interest itself, the interest of US. The interest of US. On casa so for no bompire man no or treat you more special. Why? Before the swearing in, Was it not the same John Mahama or issue notice to all former government appointees or more holding diplomatic passports, telling them to retrieve all of them? But what capacity? And as I suffer for a and you are issuing them this kind of caveat, this kind of privilege, say nipa no to kwan, then the security of the state has no business in investigating or conducting a search on that pastor. You know what is going to happen? Insecurity in this country. Serious insecurity is going to breed in this country because everyone is a pastor, and it's going to bring a serious challenge and competition between the churches who have these privileges and those who do not have. And see, going forward, this is what we are going to expect in our contemporary Ghanaian politics. This is a new thing John Mahama and NDC is introducing to our contemporary Ghanaian politics in this fourth republic. And it should be so much alarming. Look, this is the day he has done it. You know what is going to happen you know what is going to happen the next time?
Tell me.
Tax if they are importing goods. If they are importing more tax. Because say be a more important if it is coming to serve the church